Within RebarCAD we can automate the detailing process. For instance, we can detail beams, columns, pad footings, pile caps, pad bases, stair flights and octagonal pad bases. So, if we look at the stair flight detailer, we type in the member title, look at the defaults, so for instance the concrete grade. Look at the way you want the stairs to be drawn, for instance how you would like the landings to be displayed. Do you want to add anchorage lengths on the bars, or do you want the landing to stop? You can do the same for the lower landing. Enter the dimensions that you require and specify how many risers there are. What size bars would you like to use for the reinforcing and the spacing of those bars? Once you've done this, hit Draw. We tell the macro if we want to place the section above and the plan below. Then we simply place where we want to have our details, and RebarCAD has automatically detailed our staircase. All this information also gets entered into the schedule. So this time we will use a beam detailer. Again, we type in the member title. Tell it if it's a single span, is it an end span or an interior span. Put in the dimensions of the beam. Tell it how you want the reinforcement for top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement and even stirrup reinforcement. Once everything is entered, draw a beam and place where you would like this detail to go on the drawing. Finally, we will detail a pile cap. Again, enter a member title, look at the defaults, for example the concrete grades, select the shape that we would like to detail, put in the dimensions of the pile cap and the reinforcing details, and then hit Draw again. This will now detail a plan view of the pile cap and add a section. This process makes detailing very much more automated, and again, everything we place on the drawing is included in our schedule, which we can print off.